A child is playing outside. The graph below shows the child's distance, d of t, in yards from home over a period of time, t, in seconds. Which interval represents the child constantly moving closer to home? So here, we can see that this is the distance in yards from home. So this is how far we are from home. And here is the time, like distance over time, right? So we want to see how long things have been happening. So we want to see when the child is constantly moving closer to home. So this means where the child's moving in a linear way on the way home. So we'll see here that if we look in our graph here, the child is 10 yards from home, and then they're moving closer and closer and closer to home, and now they're only 4 yards from home. In this part of the graph, from 2 to 3 seconds, they're at 4 yards and they're kind of getting toward 5 yards away from home, and then they come back to 4 yards away from home. So here, they're not constantly moving toward home. They were moving away from home and then back to home. All right, then here we'll see that the child is moving constantly further from home. They were at 4 yards away from home, and now they're 8 yards away from home. And over this interval, the child is just staying at 10 yards away from home. So they're not going any further or closer. They're just at 8 yards away from home. So the interval in which the child is constantly moving toward home is this interval here, from 0 to 2 seconds. And here we'll see that our answer is option 1. If we look, though, all of these other choices are kind of what we interpreted. So 2 is what we have in green. 3 to 4 is what we have in pink, and 4 to 6 is what we have in blue. So we'll see that option 1 is the correct answer.